Welcome to computer coding class. Today our topic is unit conversion. Here we will convert our weight in pounds to kilogram using deep neural network of TensorFlow Keras. Following softwares we will use. Our operating system is Windows 8.1 64-bit. We are using Anaconda command line prompt for running the program. Our interpreter is Python 3.7. We will install OpenPyXL package for reading Excel file. You must have pandas for creating data frame and then transfer that Excel file in data frame. NumPy will convert list into one-dimensional array. We will use matplotlib for plotting a linear line graph. We will write program in Notepad editor. And last is TensorFlow. Here we will use TensorFlow Keras as a neural network machine learning package for converting our pounds into kilograms. TensorFlow is a free and open source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It can be used across a range of tasks but has a particular focus on training and inference of deep neural networks. It is a product of Google. Microsoft has now announced that Keras is the high-level API of TensorFlow 2.0, an approachable, high-productive interface for solving machine learning problems with a focus on modern deep learning. This is the formula to convert pounds into kilogram, but in this program we will not use this formula for conversion. In place of formula, we will train our system using datasets, and our system will learn how to convert pounds into kilogram by using artificial intelligence. This is the algorithm. First of all, we will create our small dataset in Excel. This Excel file contains two columns. First column is train data in pounds, and second one is train label in kilogram. Next we will load our dataset in data frame, then convert this data frame in one-dimensional array and build the model. Here we will use sequential model of Keras. After that we will compile our model using ADAM optimizer that reduce maximum loss. Next we will train the model by feeding our data. Here our system will pass throughout the data set 500 times and the learning rate is 0.1. Next we will plot linear graph to check reduction of prediction loss. If loss is minimum, then our model is ready for prediction, and then we will input our weight in pound and get the result in kilogram. Let's start coding. This is the Excel file that contains dataset. This dataset has two columns and 21 rows. First one is pound and second one is weight in kg. First of all, we will import all necessary packages. First one is TensorFlow, second one is Pandas, and the third one is NumPy. Next, we will read our Excel file and transfer all data from Excel file to Pandas data frame. df equal to pd dot read excel, and our excel file name is weight.xlsx. Next we will create two blank list. First one is p and second one is k. Now we will split our data frame into two parts. First part is pound and second part is kilogram, and transfer that data in p and k list. Here in for loop, rows show index and rs show our columns. Next we will create two one-dimensional array by using these two lists. pnd equal to np.array, in this way we have created our two input arrays. Now we will work on our model. First of all we will build the model. Here we will use sequential model of TensorFlow Keras, tf.keras.sequential. Here we are using only one node and one layer because our data set is very small, and shape is also 1 because we are using one-dimensional array. Next we will compile the model. Here we will use Adam Optimizer. Here learning rate is 0.1. For measuring loss we will use mean squared error method. Now we will train our model. Here we will feed our these two one-dimensional array in our model. Here we will use fit command and use epochs equal to 500. One epochs mean one round, and in one round it passed throughout the data set. It means if we use epochs equal to 500 means it will check the whole database 500 times, and each time it will learn from our data set and reduce the loss of accuracy. Now we will plot our model as a line graph. Here we will find the reduction of loss age per epochs. It means in first round what it learned, and after the 500 rounds what it learned, and how it reduced the prediction loss. Here we are using matplotlib. Now we will run the program and watch our line graph. In this graph, you can check that in first epochs the loss is highest, but after 100 epochs you can see the line is parallel to 0, so the loss is very minimum. So now our model is ready for prediction. Now first we disable all these graph commands. After that, now we will input our value in pounds. Next we will use predict command. Model.predict bracket. Now we will print our predicted weight in kg. Here I am doing string formatting. We have completed our program. Next we will run the program. First of all, we will input 110 pound. And the predicted value is 49.88. Now we will calculate the value by using original formula, and the answer is 49.89, and the machine learning result is 49.88. It means 98%, about 98% accuracy we are getting by using only a small data set. Now second value we are checking is 75 and the weight is 34.01, and now we will use machine learning formula. Here we got 34.02 by using this model, and by formula it is 34.01. It means 98% accuracy. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel.